Put 1 cup of natural peanut butter in a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat. Add 3/4 of a cup of honey and stir for 1 minute. You don't want to get it too hot, just softened. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add 1/2 cup of sesame seeds. Next, add 1 cup of non-fat powdered milk and mix well. Next, add 1 1/2 cups of puffed rice. I added 2 cups here and it's hard to blend, so I would definitely use only 1 1/2 cups next time. Press it into a 9 by 13 inch pan. Cover it and store it in the refrigerator.